Hey guys, Clayton with Cameo Fencing. Welcome back to the Cameo Skill Builder series. This is episode number 5. What we're going to do today is we're going to get our end post laid out with the material we need for that. We've already got it marked from the previous episode. We're going to have Pulse, Cameo, 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 Pulse, and Cameo. So the hardware we need for this post is 2 end gate post insulators, 4 one-way vices for the Cameo, and 4 electric line connectors for the Cameo Pulse. I go through here and I drop all my material where it's going to go. That way I'm not running back and forth to the truck. So there's 4 electric line connectors. There's 4 one-way vices. And 2 end gate post insulators. If you come around here, I'll show you how we screw these in. Alright guys, this is our end gate post insulator. What you need is a 5/8 wrench, or really any kind of a wrench, a crescent wrench, anything like that, but the nut is a 5/8 nut. You take the nut off, take the insulator off, and again, we've already drilled our 1/4-inch hole. That'll thread right into that 1/4-inch hole. If you got a wrench, you can put it on the back side here, help you twist it in. Speed it up, make it look like I'm doing this really fast. Guys, I'll screw that in to right about where the flat part starts to drop off. Seems to be a pretty good place to put it in at. Make sure it's straight up and down. Put the insulator back on, put the nut back on. That's a lock nut, so you don't have to go crazy with it. I just get it down to where it's flush with the top of the bolt. That's how you put the end gate post insulators on. On this side, when we go ahead and string the Cameo through, our one-way vices are sitting right here at the bottom. They'll just slide right into the hole like that. The Cameo will come through, slide through here. That one-way vice will hold it from going back through. Alright guys, there you go. Our end post is set up and ready to pull Cameo and Cameo Pulse. We've got our 2 end gate post insulators in there. I've got 4 electric line connectors laying here. And I got 4 one-way vices laying on that side.